Show you guys the fully laid out deck. This deck is spectacular. Let me see if I can cut some light. What's up, world? Kalo Mundo, it's your man Asher TV. Coming live from Santiago de Cabelleros with another house tour, Airbnb tour. This is mi casa in Santiago. This time, man, I want to perk things up a little bit, so I have my beautiful friend, mi amiga hermosa, Jennifer. Saludos a mi amigos.
Hello.
¿Cómo estás, Jennifer?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Estás bien? ¿De dónde eres?
Santiago.
Santiago. See, man, this is a very beautiful lady. She works in a beauty salon. You know, nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? This is not a woman of the streets, man. She is a hard-working single mother, and she's here with me today. She'll show around the house, so yeah, man. Check out the digs, man. This is the front of the house. Oh, el artista es muy bien. ¿Sí? ¿Te gusta?
Excelente.
¿Te gusta? Es el, ¿cómo se dice en español? Es clouds.
Grande. Bonito. Excelente.
Sí. sí, me gusta.
Todo bello.
Oh man, this is the sitting area, you know what I'm saying? You come in the front door right there. You have a nice sitting area. You know what I'm saying? These people design this house very well, man, very well. And then you see here, you have like a little dining room table and stuff. Can you caminas a la mesa? This dining room table, you know what I'm saying?
Una bella y hermosa mesa.
See. So if you have a beautiful lady with you, you know what I'm saying, you can either cook or order some nice food. You dig? You can sit here. It's a room for 6 people, gente seis, en la mesa, para la cena. Yeah, 6 people for dinner, you know what I'm saying? Nice little flower
Unas
decoration.
bellas flores para la cama.
See. Nice decorations. Oh, it says home right there. ¿Cómo se dice español? Home. Casa. Oh, she speaks a little English. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go a la cocina.
La cocina.
La cocina. You know, if you forgive me, guys, you know what I'm saying? This place has been lived in, you know what I mean? I got the
Cocina muy bella.
rum brugal on deck, you know what I'm saying? That's the local Dominican rum. And she likes this a lot. ¿Te gustas? Rum brugal?
Yes. Muy
Yes.
bueno.
Rum brugal es tu favorito?
Yes.
Yes, ¿por qué? Rum
Muy
brugal.
dulce. Bueno.
She said it's very sweet and very good, you know what I'm saying? It's very smooth too, guys, you know what I'm saying? You get that rum brugal, wash it down with a couple Presidentes, you know what I'm saying? So this is the kitchen, you know, come in and cook. For some reason, this, mira. This house has 2 dos cocinas.
Cocina.
Has 2
Dos
kitchens.
cocina.
So this is really
Aquí
what I
podemos
cook, man.
apreciar esta belleza de cocina. La estufa, el microondas, el consumidor de grasas, todo muy bello.
Very nice. This is what I do my cooking, man. And if I order some Uber Eats or something, I heat it up right here. Tell you, you travel, man, you find like the architecture. Some of these countries is a little strange because I'm not sure they have 2 kitchens, but they do. And I use them, so yeah, man. Oh, nice little clock right there. Oh, me gusta eso. Lees para mí, por favor.
Ama a cada hora, disfruta cada segundo, sonríe cada día, vive cada instante.
Oh, sheesh. Let me see if I know what this is. The aura.
Ama cada hora,
You have to enjoy
disfruta cada segundo,
and smile every day.
sonríe cada día,
Yeah. Pretty much saying smile every day and live in the moment. And I'm definitely doing that. Ooh, I like it. You know, white toes. Sí, muy bonita. Okay. Habitations.
Ahora vamos a las habitaciones.
See. This place has two dos
La
habitations or bedrooms, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys, you know what I'm saying, something like this, man, you can travel with a friend, or if you're gonna have a guest over, you know what I'm saying, you can do that. If you look air conditioning,
Aire.
Dominican Republic, they don't really have central AC. They have like the air conditioning kind of on the wall, you know what I'm saying? You control it with this thing here. They also use Celsius, not Fahrenheit. So like, you know, around 25, 26, that's pretty good for me. Still trying to get used to that.
El espejo.
While she fixes herself in the mirror. ¿Cómo se dice?
Espejo.
Espero.
Espejo. Abanico.
Okay. If you need a fan, got that right there. So you guys learned some Spanish with me tonight, God dog.
Televisión.
Got a nice TV there too.
Plasma.
This TV is probably about 40 something inches, you know what I'm saying? Maybe 50. But it's internet TV, so
Internet.
yeah, you can come here and watch Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, all that good stuff. Here we have the bathroom, you know what I'm saying? Nice little shower and stuff, you know, typical stuff. Nice little mirror that lights up right there. Bam. So you know, it's good for the ladies when they want to do their makeup and stuff. You know what I mean? So we go to the second bedroom. And bedroom in Spanish is habitación.
Otra habitación.
Habitación.
Más bonita, más amplia. Muy bella. Un sillón acá.
See. Pretty much same setup as in the other
Otra
bedroom
televisión.
and the television. You know what I'm saying? That's when I got the AC cranking, you know what I'm saying? So
Ahí.
I tell you what, man, you in here, long night of enjoying yourself as a presidente. It's nothing better than have that cool AC blowing on you while you're sleeping, man. And still they got the nice artwork. I also got a nice big cabinets to store your clothes and stuff. ¿Cómo se dice? Español?
Closet.
Closet? Oh, en inglés es closet.
Ok, en español es un closet.
Okay. Bien. Okay. Next, afuera.
No vamos al frente de la casa.
Yeah. Next, we're gonna take you guys outside. Show what it really is, you know what I'm saying? That's just the inside, man, you know what I'm saying? This house right here, it's really stacked. Yes. Here you go. See, that's the inside right there. Show you guys the fully laid out deck. This deck is spectacular. Let me see if I can cut some lights on up there. Bam, there you go. Got a nice pool table right here, man, you know what I'm saying? So I played a pool a couple times and I won some money, lost some money. You know what I'm saying? ¿Cómo se dice?
Una mesa de billar.
Una mesa
de billar.
De billar.
Sí.
Tú sabes jugados?
No.
No. Oh.
Dominó.
Do you know this? Tú
Dominos.
sabes dominoes? Yeah. See, man, dominoes, man, it's pretty much like the besides soccer and football, it's like the national sports. National game over here in DR, you know what I'm saying? Everywhere you go, especially you go to like the parks and stuff, you see like some of the guys, old heads, taxi drivers, or whatever have you, playing dominoes and stuff. Here we have a nice sitting area, man. So I like to come out here, you know, when the sun is kind of going down, when it's not too hot, not too cool. You know, come out here, have a couple Presidentes, smoke my cigar and stuff. And even if you want to, man, you know what I'm saying, come out here and have a nice little meal, you know what I'm saying. It's very nice, very nice. You even have a grill over here.
Barbecue.
I haven't used this thing yet. It's barbecue in Espanol. Okay, okay.
Barbecue.
Bien, it's barbecue in Anglais también. So,
Barbecue para
Yeah.
cocinar.
yeah. Man, just besides that, man, it's a nice view. You can't really see a lot now. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of dark, but behind these apartment buildings over here, there are mountains. So you have Santiago de los Cabelleros. It's in the mountains. You know what I'm saying? So it's nice views both in my house and also around the house. But yes, I have mi modella hermosa, Jennifer, showing me around. You know what I'm saying? Yes.
Allá.
Oh yes. I almost forgot, man. Yo, Vito. I also have a pool table over here, you know what I'm saying? For real.
Aquí podemos apreciar este hermoso jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi
Sí,
en español.
en español, jacuzzi.
En Anglais. Haven't used this thing yet, man, because really be hot as a mug out here, you know what I'm saying? And so to hop in the hot tub. But yeah, one day we'll definitely make use of that and have it cleaned out. Yeah, this is really the countryside, man, you know what I'm saying? So, like I be telling you guys, man, you can really live like a king out here. This house is only like, what, about $400 a week or something like that, you know what I'm saying? On the outskirts of the city, nice mountain views, you know what I'm saying? Then when you have company over, they are very impressed with what you are offering, so yes. Sí, sentías aquí, por favor. So there you have it, man. Nice, very nice tour of the house. You know what I'm saying? Live like a king over here for real. I want to say thank you, gracias, Jennifer, for the tour. You know what I'm saying? Very nice. I asked her a few questions. ¿Qué te gusta hacer para divertirte en Santiago?
Comer, andar.
Okay. I asked her what she likes to do for fun here in Santiago. She says she likes to eat. ¿Tú quieres visitar los monumentos, los heroes?
Oh, sí.
In Santiago? Yeah. They have like a big monument here, man. It's like on the weekends, that thing is packed. I think I did a video out there a couple days ago. I'll be dropping that video soon. You guys check it out. But that monument is like where everybody in Santiago likes to kind of get together and socialize, drink Presidente. They be out there grilling food, selling food. You also get like a little horseback ride or a carriage ride out there and stuff, man. A lot of local people out there. You understand? So it's a nice little spot. And I'll be dropping that footage soon, so you guys check that out. And once again, man, this is mi casa in Santiago de los Cabelleros. Something like this, man, in I don't know, California, New York, wherever, costs thousands upon thousands upon thousands. But here in Santiago de los Cabelleros, Dominican Republic, it's very affordable, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I say get outside the country, man. Just explore and see what is out there for you. And Jennifer, once again, gracias. Saludos, mi amigos.
Bye-bye.
Okay, we'll be coming back at you guys soon, man. I hope you appreciate the views, because I sure do. Okay, buenas noches.
Espérate, déjame arreglar mi cabello. Así.
She has a very nice green dress on tonight, guys. ¿Cómo se dice? Vestido?
Vestido.
Falta? Vestido verde.
Yes.
Vestido verde, you know what I'm saying? She got the fingernails on point. The guy she does nails, she does hair. You understand? She's not one of these other girls you may see on some other channels that be out there in the streets. No, she is a very good, hard-working woman. You understand? Takes care of the kids. Two trabajas in La Belleza.
Cosmetología.
See, boy, man, yeah, man. So
Belleza.
very nice, man. You can also meet very nice, hard-working, intelligent young ladies out here, man. You don't